Hey everyone, Rick here, Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is Monday, May 24th, 2021, and the market just closed about 5 minutes ago. I want to get this out pretty quick for you here. What a great day in the SPY. Absolutely excellent. We've had actually 4 good days here in the SPY. I think after this little run, we might want to be a little bit cautious and be prepared for a little bit of profit taking. We saw a little bit come in near the close here. While I remain bullish, I also see the possibility of a little bit of a pullback. As long as we pretty much stay above the T-line and the Trendicator, I'm okay with that. So if we do have a little bit of a pullback in here, I'm all right with that. But we're going to need to see those buyers come in before we break down below 414.50. If we see that happen, we could have a little problem on our hands. But so far all is good. FNGU, happy days. Whoops, didn't make it. FNGU, happy days. That's looking pretty good. No surprise to see it peter out up here around 28.60. A little bit of resistance right in there. So speed bump, no problem. Little bit of a pullback would be perfectly fine. I just really don't want it breaking back below that red trend line right there, and I don't think we want it breaking actually below about 26.50. That could cause a problem with FNGU. But right now, everything's looking a-okay. For the most part, still bullish. Unless something happens tonight that just totally destroys it. Of course, there's news events that we just cannot have control of. But right now, the chart's looking pretty good. A few charts that I want to go over with you right here. Hey, thanks for everybody for signing up for that class that Doug with Right Way Option is putting on. The covered call masterclass. Doug, my partner with Right Way Options, is putting that on, and it is sold out. Now, I talked with Doug this morning, and he's going to actually do another class, and I will have the dates up and have everything prepared for you here in a day or two. I might even try to get it done this evening for another class coming up. But that class, the covered call masterclass for June 24th, has been filled. We only allow 25 students in there, and went pretty fast. So we'll have that another one up for you, okay? And remember, if you want to check out our trial, we have a link down there for our trial if you're interested in doing that. 30-day trial, $49. You get the scanner that comes with it. I'll take care of paying for the scanner from Live Trading Alerts for you. And you also get the alerts that we send you from an app. So anyway, it's a good deal. Join up if you can. All right, let's take a look at SKLZ. Now, I am long this. I've been long this a little bit here, and we had a nice little move today. I'm looking for this to come up and attack the 50-period moving average, but first, it's going to have to get through the 34 EMA, which is about this 17.15 area here. Now, I may end up taking some profits on this tomorrow if it actually scoots up there. And then if it starts to consolidate, what I'll look for is maybe a reason to buy it back or buy more back and then finish the run out toward that 50-period moving average. FSLY, that's a pretty chart. This is a pinball setup, and let me get rid of all this and start this over. So let's do this. So this is a pinball setup, and right now I'm seeing about 39.5% to the 50-period moving average. Just keep in mind that we need to get through the 34 EMA, and that's right here at 23%. So that might be a nice run, which I doubt it's going to go from here straight up to that. We may see a little bit of consolidation, so up, consolidate, up, that kind of a thing. Might even do it again. Once it settles down or makes its way through that 34, then we can attack the 50 period moving average. Either way, I think we have a nice looking chart right here, and we get through these highs, this high. Yeah, let's get through this one. That might launch us up a little bit and get us up past the Trendicator there. INO, very nice chart setup. Great consolidation here. Pop out of the box. There's about 22.5% or so from the bottom here to the 50 period moving average. You've got the 34 EMA, which here, let's do this. Let's get this out of the way, and let's just move that up. There we go. We've got 22. No, we don't. There we go. We've got 11.5% to the 34 EMA, and that's one of the first target zones for the pinball setup. And then we've got the 50 period moving average, 22.6% away. Nice little pop out of the box setting up right now. If we decide to buy this, or if I catch it moving, I'll certainly send an alert out on our alert out to our members and to our trial members that have downloaded the app. While I'm here, let's go take a look at NIO. It's actually not on the list, but I'm going to put it there. I just was remembering it here. Here we had a low, a high, a higher low, and now we have a higher high. Let's see. Let's do this. So to the 34, this is only an 8% move, so it's not quite a pinball setup. While to the 50 up here, it's almost 11%. Nice little consolidation. Just might be a reasonable buy on this. I am already in this. Looking forward to breakout. Now I am kind of holding this a little bit longer, so I'm probably more looking for something up here. So a nice little breakout and then a run up. Let's get back in the game here. AIG might be setting up. Nice wedge on this. Let's do something like that right there. And something like that. Nice little wedge here working. So we're going to look for maybe some sideways consolidation. I know there was at least one member of Hit Run Candlesticks bought this today. Watch for that inside day. That might be a nice buy. And see if that doesn't push a little bit higher and make us some money up there. That looks good. Nice chart. Look at that breakout there. Nice breakout. We come back and test. A high and test. And now we're trying to get through there. NEM. Pop out of the box big time here. So if we don't own this right now, and if we did buy it, say today maybe, if we would have, then what we're watching for is a breakout to the upside. Okay, so we're watching for that breakout. A breakout, there's no question we'll get a test, but a breakout suggests it goes higher. On the other hand, if we can't get going and we actually break down, we'd close out of that thing in a heartbeat because it broke out of the reason we like it. Nice little buy box here, or pop out of the box is what we call this. So keep a close eye on this one, and if it starts to break out, it might be a good time to take a look at it as well. PM, Philip Morris, that's looking pretty sharp right here. I kind of think 97.30, anything over that, I'm bullish. That would also be where I'm bearish. Now, well, not bearish, but I wouldn't want it. This needs to break out of this 98.53 area, and if it does, then we've got a chart rallying up here pretty good. Take a look at the weekly chart, and you can see a few targets on this that it might want to chase after. There we go, right there. So we could see this thing running 102, 4 or 5% away. This is not a big money maker. It's just a nice steady chart. INSG. I think I talked about this one the other day on the video, and I still like this. I still like it an awful lot. Let's see here. Where's my... Now let's do it this way then. There we go. And let's move this up a little bit. There we go. We've got about 9.3% to the 34 EMA up here, and then about a 14.25% to the 50 period moving average. I think this is a nice, well-constructed bottom so far. I like the fact that we had a little bit of follow-through from that little dark cloud cover. We came down, the buyers bought it up, and then we put a nice little wick here on the bottom, and that's something I like about this. So I'm going to start shopping for an entry in this area right there. We'll just put a little something like that. Nice little entry in this area, and then we'll look for that to pop up. Alrighty. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching the video. I absolutely appreciate it. I hope you consider taking a trial with us. Certainly hope you become interested in becoming a member. If there's anything we can help you with, let us know. And by the way, for any trial members that upgrade to a membership, remember that we are paying for your first month of the live trading alert scanner. Okay, we'll see everybody later. Have a terrific evening. Take care.